Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video on this Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. That's what it's called, Tinted Skin Veil. I got this in a Vox box from Influenster. So I'm really excited to try it out. And I guess it's like going along with that no makeup look. So yeah, I'm just gonna start. That is why I have no makeup on. I wanted to show you how it applies, how it looks, and then how it wears out throughout the day. So this little card that it comes with, it says super fresh, no makeup. Get ready for a glowing, hydrated, healthy skin that feels and looks its best. Our water, aloe, and cucumber infused skin veil delivers light, breathable coverage for a fresh face that feels like nothing and looks like everything. Just ultimate hydration for the coolest Cali glow. So right now I just have my moisturizer on, which is this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. That is what I use every day to moisturize my face. So that is already on my skin. My face is clean. My hair is still wet. I just took a shower. And then this is the color that I got. I hope this focuses. Whatever. So the color is Nutmeg Sienna. And so when I got it and I kind of held it up to my face, I was like, it's a little bit oranger than I would like, but we're just gonna go with it. And then also I just wanted to let you know I am going to use this NYX Bear With Me. It is the hydrating jelly primer, so I am going to use that too as the primer. I bought this. I did not come in the Vox box. The only thing, or the Influencer box, the only thing it came with was this tinted skin veil, so I went and purchased this myself. I believe it was $17 at Ulta. It seemed like a little bit pricey for a NYX product, so we'll see how well it performs. But the inside is like a jelly consistency. It's like really jelly, like literally looks like just clear jelly. It's jiggly and everything. So here is this. I'm going to start with a little bit of the primer first. Put some of that on. There's some on the lid here, so I'm just gonna pick that out. Not pick it out, but grab it out. You can see it on my hand there. And oh, some of it fell. Just kind of rub that in. So it is weird because it feels like jelly at first, but it kind of melts down to like a watery consistency. It feels nice on my skin. It's like nice and cooling and refreshing, but it does kind of like start drying down and it gets a little bit sticky. I'm going to take just a little bit of this and put it on the back of my hand first, just like so, and then I'll probably just dot that onto my face and blend it in with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge. Where is my beauty sponge? Where? Oh, it's right here. Even just looking at this, it's like a lot darker than I expect. Oh, I think this is too dark. Let's see. I'm just gonna put a little on and just kind of, oh, this is way too dark. Oh no, oh no. At least with the sponge, it kind of takes it away a little bit. I mean, I guess I could try it. I'll probably just have to like put some concealer on too, which I hope doesn't defeat the purpose of putting this on, because it's supposed to be like a no makeup look. This color would actually probably work really well on my sister. She's like a shade darker than me when it comes to foundation. So this might work better for her. Like I look like I'm orange face. Like look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know about this. And then it will definitely not match my neck. What am I gonna do? I really just had to improvise right now because I really want to still make this video, but that color is not my color. So I am going to have to mix some of my Makeup Revolution concealer with it. I'm the color C10 in this, and basically what I I'm gonna do is put some on the back of my hand like that.
I'm kind of getting out of this too.
Like that. Put some like that, and then just gonna put a little at first, and then just mix it in with the back of a makeup brush and see. We'll just try this and see if because this is definitely more of like my color right here. That other one was just way too dark. So I guess it's not like a full-on straight review. I did wash this side of my face and reapplied more jelly primer, but it's kind of weird because we're mixing it now with a different product. Such a fail. Every time I get a foundation from Influenster, I always get the wrong shade. And I'm not like blaming them because, you know, they make you do like a little quiz and it kind of helps you decide what shade you would be. And so I think I just always pick way wrong. Like before I picked way too light. And so this time I was like, no, I have to get darker. And I think I went too dark. So that's actually my bad. So I'm just gonna buff this in. So let me show you here. There's the side with the foundation so far, and then this side doesn't have any. There's still some down here from the other one. I have bad rosacea, so please don't mind that, the texture here, but this is with it and then this is without it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. This does dry down pretty, a little bit matte. Like it still looks shiny, but it's matte. Like I can feel that it dried down pretty fast. And even when I put it on without mixing it with the other one, it did dry down really matte and pretty fast. You can still see like, well, my texture is always going to be there, but I feel like you can still see a little bit of the redness here. This side of my face is just better in general. So I could put another layer on there, but I don't think I'm going to, just because I don't want to. I planned on having like really naturally as it can get with wearing makeup type of look today. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of this Makeup Revolution concealer just right under the eyes here, and try not to put too much. And I'm not gonna like do my whole face and forehead today. Before I start putting on any of my powders, I did want to show you this e.l.f. Cream blush that I bought because since we're doing this whole like natural thing, I wanted to do a cream blush, and it comes off a little bit, it's a little bit translucent, which is fine. So I'm just going to use my finger actually and just kind of pat it in. See? So yeah, I'm gonna like finish the rest of my makeup, my eyeshadow and my eyelashes, and I'll come back. Okay, so here is my makeup all done. I'm standing in front of the window so you can see the natural light on my face. Yeah, I would say that it does give you like a nice light coverage, and granted we did mix it with the other stuff, but it still gives like a really nice light coverage, not feeling cakey, not really looking cakey. It almost like gives like kind of a dewy look, and I really like the way that it looks. Might just keep using it, you know, mixed together. I could try to go get my color, but this bottle was free, so hey, I might as well use it as best as I can. So I think it turned out okay. The real test will be how it wears today. I didn't like bake my face or anything like that. The only powder that I used was a little bit around my forehead here, and then I used a little bit on my cheeks for contouring. But other than that, and then I set underneath my eyes with a little bit of translucent. But other than that, I didn't bake at all. But I did set it with a matte setting spray, so I hope that helps it stay. So it is a pretty warm day. We're gonna go out, so I want to see how well it lasts. Okay, so I thought it would be a good time to check in with my makeup here. So I am sitting outside right now, and I hope the lighting's not too bad. Let me try to move around. But I have been wearing this all day. Well, all day. It's been like 4 hours right now. So far, it's been 4 hours. And so far, so good. I like that it's not super cakey. I have gotten a little bit sweaty, but it's been okay. And I really want to try my own color, like my own color for my foundation. It kind of sucks that I had to mix it with something else. So maybe I'll still try that because I really like the formula of this. I just like the way it feels. And I know that I can't really base it off because I mixed it, but it still feels really nice, and I think it looks nice. It doesn't look cakey like I've said a million times. So yeah, so far so good. Okay, last check-in of the day. So I've had this on for about 8 hours now, and you can see my face is pretty greasy. It's broken up basically all over my face. I don't know if that's from mixing it. I don't know if it's just the foundation itself, but my foundation really doesn't last that long anyways. On a daily basis, it's usually pretty broken up by the end of like 8 hours. So that doesn't surprise me, and I'll just take it off. I'm just getting ready to take it off. The sun is still out, but I'm ready to be done with my makeup. So anyways, yeah, I did like the foundation. It is a good one if you're trying to do like a no makeup foundation type of thing. It is okay. I'm glad it was free and I could just try it out. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.